Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete contact from WhatsApp on Android. Keep in mind that to delete a contact from WhatsApp, we will have to delete it from our agenda, and to do this, we will do the following. We start by opening WhatsApp. Then, click on the lower icon to see our contacts and click on the one we want to delete. After that, click on the top name of the contact. Then click on the three top points and then on View and Address Book. Here, we click on the top 3 points and choose Delete. Finally, we confirm the deletion with Move to Trash. We will no longer have this contact in our agenda or on WhatsApp. Remember that you can block a contact on WhatsApp if you prefer before deleting it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.